Oh no, I started with my mic on mute again. Well, that was fun. Let me say it again. Good morning, chat. Futures floor was quick at it. Holland, Holland, dun, 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 dun. Anybody else voting for the brute Holland versus England? Holland, Holland, dun, 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 dun. So, sir, how was BO2?
It was fun.
Yeah, bro, did you see the emblems people are creating already?
Yeah.
Ah, people are so funny. People on the internet sometimes are actually funny. There's some funny people out there. The obvious target is previous day high. Holland, Holland, she da ba dee da da da.
Go get water.
You go do that. Did I not have Kleenex here to blow my nose? I've been robbed, chat. I've been robbed. Somebody robbed me of Kleenex. Good morning, chat.
Oh, my eye's swollen again.
Oh yeah? So chat, we
I
have
can
the
get it.
obvious targets, Asia previous day high, and then we have these hourly highs on the to go grab as well on NQ. Well, how was your eye yesterday? Was it swollen as well?
Not like crazy. It's worse today than last night. I didn't really put ice or hot. I'm putting some hot water now.
Mm. Yeah, hot water moves it around, so I guess keep some hot water on and then put cold for inflammation. The ice really helped.
ES just took out Monday's high.
Yeah. Bro, yes is really ripping compared to NQ. Look how far away ES is. Took out previous day high, took out Asia like a long time ago with that 8 o'clock 30-minute cycle. And already took out previous day high early morning too. Is that what we're doing again? We're gonna open up, shoot up higher, come back down, take out sell side, and then go all the way back up and take out our targets. Feels like we've been doing that every single day of the week.
Yep, probably happen again.
Do we have any 15-minute bullish for value gaps on the way down? Under sell side. Not really. Anything on the 1 hour? Nope. No, we touched the opening gap and just shot back down. Who knows? It might be a bearish day. Starting to get wrist pain. I think biceps at the gym have been punishing me on my wrists.
Yeah, I wear a wrist wrap only on the wrist that hurts.
Oh, you still wear it?
A wrist wrap, yeah, on the left or the right, whichever one. I go to the gym, I just bring like one or two. I bring one of them actually, and whichever one I feel has a bit pain, I just wrap it around.
I remember you having those every time we used to go.
Yeah, on chest day, I wear both. Keep my wrists stabilized.
Yeah, if you have pain, why not? Should get one too. I feel like I look 1 or 2 pounds leaner. I wonder if I lost weight or not. I need to put new batteries in the thing to test it. So who'd you play with? I saw Val and Justin and Peter and them.
Yeah,
That's funny. What were you using? MSMC? MP7?
no, you have no guns.
Oh, what did you use?
MSMC, you unlock you like a level 50, bro.
No way. So you're using what? The pre-built MP7 class? Isn't that what they give you?
I think so, yeah, bro. They bought the DLC, so I couldn't play with them unless I bought DLC, bro. And I bought BO2 and BO1 and online, but cost me like $90. Fuck,
Bro, I have the receipts.
you know.
What 90? That's like 24, 24, 17, 11.
No, it's $30. It's $15 for online, $30 for each game. That's 60, 75, and 15 for the DLC. That's $90.
Uh,
What you saw first when you called me, I only bought online and BO1.
no, I saw. I got the other two. I got the DLC package and whatever, and the something kit.
Yeah, it's $90.
That's a lot.
Why? How much money did you see?
I don't know. I'll tell you. I'll tell you now.
Yeah, it should be around $90.
I saw 17, 30. Well, I'll round up. It says 28, but 30. So 17, 30. Oh yeah, you're right. Another 30. 15. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, around 90. That's crazy. Bro, to play a game 1 day is insane.
Well, 1 day, and I'm not gonna play it 1 day. We played custom games too a bit. We played custom game sniper. Bro, it's actually so fun to quick scope with the ballista.
Yeah. You see like the line, like the trajectory, like a jet flew by it. I
Yeah,
think
it's fun.
BO2, that's how the snipers worked, right? You shot and then you saw the trajectory.
Yeah.
It's too bad I can't get it on PC. But wait, how does that work? You cannot play with them? Oh, because the DLC you get the other maps. So they have to choose the playlist without it.
Yeah, but honestly, it's the DLC was worth it because you have no guns, but when you get the DLC, you get the Peacekeeper, and the Peacekeeper is pretty strong. So at least you get the Peacekeeper.
Peacekeepers and LMG? What is that?
Oh, but the Peacekeeper was the that's an SMG,
Oh yeah,
SMG slash AR, but it's an SMG.
don't remember it.
The cat's freaking out here.
I finally saw that TikTok about that movie Obsession, about the cat. How she hides her face from mirrors and in the corner doing weird stuff, waiting for you at the door. How's mom doing? Hello?
Yeah.
How's mom doing?
Good. Yes.
I called her yesterday, but she was tired.
Yeah, she went to bed pretty early. Holland, Holland, dum, ba, 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 da, da.
Mr. Pretty, good morning.
I'm pretty. You don't tell me good morning.
Good morning to you as well. Day's going good, no trades yet. Market just opened. We're looking for I'm bullish on today, so maybe on retraces back down and look for a setup to go back up.
Well, we have a huge SMT with Monday's high. It's massive. So if we're bearish, that will hold. But it looks like NQ wants to come up to grab the 993 high, which is, I believe, Thursday's high, yesterday's high. Yep. Looks like that's what we're going to get.
Another bearish SMT. I see us at least
Okay.
grabbing Asia buy side in previous day high here.
Yeah, I think NQ will take Thursday's high slowly but surely, and then we have a chance to reverse depending on how we react on that high. And if we reverse, I think we're going to come down quite a bit for the rest of the day, just so Friday can close and create the daily wick on the daily chart and close within today's range.
I'm so bullish today. I don't think we're just gonna grab previous day high.
Yeah, we
Look,
should go for it.
look at the hourly high. That's 30.52, 30.94. A little bit above previous day high. They look clean to go grab as well. Yeah, Funded Seed is a futures prop firm. They give you access to many different types of accounts. End of day, 1 day payouts, direct to funding. They offer it all.
But yeah, playing Black Ops 2 was nostalgic, but it is a bit slow.
Yeah, no, the field of view must have been dirty too to get used to.
Oh yeah, yeah. The field of view. I thought I can like adjust it or something, but you
No,
can't.
not in BO2. Stuck like at
That was
60.
so funny. So you would find it so zoomed in.
Yeah, I saw people playing it.
Imagine I play zoomed in like on Apex, and you find it zoomed in on my screen. You would find it so zoomed in.
Is that the cat I just heard?
What's up?
Nothing, bro.
Il en faut 20, ce qui veut dire que ce soir,
Yeah, your analysis is good too. Taking out previous day high on the 15-minute would be great, and maybe we could look for a reversion back. We have a lot of lows. Also have a lot of highs though. Good morning, JC. Anyways, the bias is a bit useless. Wow, we're skipping previous day high. Futures floor, how are you doing today? In the market. It's always fun to end the week green on Friday. Or at least get a winning trade on Friday. I went to go look at his stream, how he was doing. Today I'm feeling bullish. I want to at least take out previous day high before we even look for a short. Or I'd like to form some sell side here, and then once we take it, continue going up. We'll see what we get. Time will tell. David, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
You thought I left?
Yeah, you say like 4 words.
Yeah, no one sees my screen. It's your stream. You got it, bro. You got it, bro. Show your screen. Talk.
Yeah, you can talk as well about your day and shit like that, you know?
I
It's
just
hard
woke
to have
up.
a one-way
About my
conversation.
day?
No, you just woke up. It's because you're on your phone.
Talk about your day. That's hilarious. I woke up 15 minutes ago.
Yeah, I saw. I went to go look at Mike's channel. Mister was down 600 on a PA on a 50K. The guy over risked, I already know.
Uh-oh. Somebody's over risking.
I went to go spy on him.
I don't think it's that much over risk. He said he risks about 500 daily loss limit normally around.
That's a lot on a 50K account.
Bro, there's hundreds of ways to trade prop firms. Look at the guy who makes so much money, JJ or whatever his name is. The guy will risk like 50% of each account because he knows like he'll hit like out of like 10 accounts, 3 or 4 will bring him to a huge payout, and he'll risk a lot. There's different ways to trade. He's making hundreds of thousands of dollars.
I wonder what's the best way to do it.
You know, you can trade small and consistently, or you can do what he does when you have a decent sized capital. He risks half the drawdown on the evals,
Yeah, it's too
and
much
then
for
when he
me.
has the live accounts, if he has a high conviction trade, he'll risk the entire drawdown in one trade.
That's insane.
If not, he'll risk half. So you get to pay out fast, but you also lose a lot of accounts. But the math still works in your favor if you're hitting some trades. And the guy's hitting, so
He be hidden, huh? I say he's picking up traction. He's becoming popular. I saw him on a couple podcasts already. And YouTube and TikTok. He be popping.
You know, a lot of times you've been leaving the daily highs. Are we gonna come right back down?
I don't know his name. I think his name's JJ. What's his name, Dave?
JJ Simon or something. I don't know. But I think he spends like 10 to 15,000 a month on evals. I think he actually spends like 10,000 a month on evals. No joke. But he's
Yeah,
also
Mr.
like
Pretty,
making
I'll teach you it quick. Go ahead, Dave.
no go away.
I'll show you the one I took yesterday. Here's a simple one. Once you soup a high or equal highs, like in this case, equal highs, the pattern is black, green, black. So for example, the green swept the equal highs. You have a black body to the left, a black body to the right. This black candle closed below these two lows, and it's a big black candle that closed under the body of the green. You go short, put your stop at the high, and go for one. So the trade would look like this. So technically you need a soup of a high, a low, or equal highs or equal lows. Enter, it has to be a green candle if you're going short the middle candle. Then the third candle has to be black as well, and then you go for a one. You would move your stop as soon as you take out liquidity, like you would take out this low, you'd move your stop to break even, and you'd hope that it goes 1-1. That's pretty much it. It happened yesterday 2 times. It happened here as well. Here you have a soup of a low, so now you're going long, so you need green, black, green. Swept the black candle, third candle's green, closure above the black body. It made equal highs, that's the only reason why I took it. If it swept this high, I wouldn't have taken it. So it made equal highs, I entered here. As soon as we took it, moved stop to break even, hit 1-1 perfectly, and it landed perfectly to mitigate the last 1 minute bearish fair value gap in the leg. That's where I took my profit yesterday. So that's pretty much it. Easy as 1, 2, 3. What were you saying, Dave?
I wasn't saying anything.
No, you were saying before I started talking.
Nothing of importance. Forgot. Go take that high already. We know you want it. We know you want it. What does ES even have to go grab besides this?
I'm gonna go check on the hourly.
Chart has a tiny daily high at 7,612.
Yeah.
That's the next stop if it goes.
Yes, can have all-time highs if it wants to today.
The way it's been moving, yeah.
It's at 603. All it has to do is take out what's the all-time high here? 648.75. Boy, I wanna know. Mr. Pretty's name reminds me of the meme. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. David knows what I'm talking about. Boy, you're like a ghost. I'm talking to who, bro? I'm talking to you about a meme and you're not even answering me.
I don't know what you're talking about.
The dog, you're the one who sent me the dog. Sit pretty.
Uh,
What
what
assets
assets?
would you made more? Not sure what that means, but I trade on NQ.
Avoid gold if you're trading New York. It's very rare you get good follow through and good movement. Recently, you've had some good periods, but it's it's not worth it to trade anything else, to be honest. NQ's the cleanest. ES maybe now you can switch for a bit, but who knows how long that'll last. But NQ's the best by far. Oil's not as clean. YM isn't clean. Gold is highly manipulated and doesn't have the best moves.
We use NQ NES to form our trades, but all of our executions are on NQ. I never really took a trade on ES. I just use ES as confluences and SMTs and stuff like that since it's like pretty correlated with NQ. That's pretty much it.
See, what would look very interesting for me is if we get a soup or we come into the 946 1 minute for value gap and then we go long. If we keep this engineered these engineered highs here that we just formed. I'd like for these highs to stay here and we manipulate down first. That would be favorable. And that's what we do with the S here. But for value gap is good at 1006 to go long.
Yeah, close too high. I was gonna go long if it closed around the 918
Oh,
area.
there's a value gap at 1006.
No, I'm talking
That's
about
the
my
for value
SMT
gap.
trade when ES took out the low at 955 and 1001.
Yeah, I was talking about 1006.
Oh, okay.
No, I didn't close it. No, it's just gonna run.
Is there any other person in the live stream? There's two people talking. I hope that answers the question. You're being more active than him. Keep the number one spot away from him.
Okay, go grab the high, bro. 993.
You went long, I'm guessing?
Me, no.
Oh.
I don't have a trade here.
Because I rarely hear your mouse moves. Every time I hear it move, I feel like you're about to enter in a trade with the clicking, click, click, click. Surprised it's not just running to previous day high. Go on and take it already. We know you want to. Two sentences I'm not sure what futures for are using speaking in the live stream background. Don't know what that means. And then futures floor writes knuckle bump. Yeah, broccoli chicken, man. Broccoli chicken. Oh, it's crazy. I look at stream and when I look at the comments, it looks like I'm looking at the floor. I should have it on the monitor on top.
A shop of voting out dead. They're getting ran at potentially.
I think TA spilled some alcohol in futures floor's drink today. Oh, we got so many SMTs here. Good question, Mr. Pretty. I don't know that as well. How did he get his name in blue with a blue shield? No idea. I think maybe because he's a moderator, you have to be ex-military.
And yeah, dude. Also, we view this pause feature as something.
Wow, really? We're really not taking that previous day high? But the issue is we have so many bullish and bearish SMTs, it's confusing.
Yeah, July's price action hasn't been the best. It's been moving weird. It's been slow. It's been moving pretty choppy. A lot of SMTs on both sides, which makes the conditions so unfavorable. It's not what you want to see. A bunch of SMTs on both sides.
You get it popping, you get it popping. How long have I been trading futures? I lost track of time. Maybe a little bit over 2 years or near the 2 years. I'm not sure. Kind of lost track of time. Started with a bit of scalping, started with a bit of stocks. That's pretty much it. And then I landed on futures. Alright, I'm back. I had a call. Why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know.
I don't know, price has been so weird this month that I wouldn't even be surprised if you come all the way back down and leave the daily high there. It's been so weird.
Here, Dino's
There's a
third.
fair value gap from before that I said 946. Just tapped into it.
Talk for a second. I want to see something.
Talk for a second. I want to see some things.
Okay.
That VP did
Did
everything
you
they
see what you
could
needed
to
to
make
see
sure
for me
they
to
weren't
talk
going
the
to get
way I
sent
talked
off.
that talk?
And like I said, Aurora was
Yes,
relentless.
sir.
They
Just
never.
wanted to check. All good. I sing like ass. I have like ADD. I think it just keeps me singing or whatever goes in my head comes out of my mouth. Wow, thank you, Mike, for letting me know that. I didn't know. If it's for like 3 seconds, it's fine. Sometimes I click on something and the audio's on. There's nothing I can do. Wow, we're coming down pretty hard now.
Yeah, I told you, bro. Price action is so weird that I wouldn't even be surprised if we come down before going back up again. It's so bizarre.
It's like 5 mornings in a row. We come up, we go down, we come up, we hesitate, we come back down, and we go up for the rest of the day. David?
Yes.
Just checking if your mic was working again. I was looking at something. Hey, my computer's been slowing down, man. Oy. It's crazy. No matter what I click on, whatever audio, it goes through the stream. Even if it comes through my headphones, it's so funny. I think that's the issue because I have you coming into the stream as well from my headphones, so that's why no matter what I click, it comes through.
What is it going on here? I don't get why we would come down from here. That daily high is like so pretty up there.
I know. I agree.
We should head higher. I don't get it. We have stacked highs and a daily high up there. Should be an obvious target.
I'll be honest, one bullish candle here, bro, it looks clean. Like I said, it sucks because I'm married to my bullish buys for today. You also have these lows on NQ that look clean to go grab as well. If we decide to come back down, all these lows over here. Trendline liquidity.
Maybe I'm missing something, but we're looking bullish, no?
Yeah, my opinion, yeah.
Should go up from here.
Too. I agree. Hey, TA. Welcome back. Hola, no skills. Hola. You guys took any trades today?
This should be good long here.
Yeah, I'll write it out. I'll show it. Green, lucky you. Find me a trade. I'm not green, not red. 0 trades taken today. Did you take this, Dave?
Yeah.
These trades scare me so much with the price action it's been doing. So fun. Even after this much time, I still get nervous entering trades.
Yeah, we should go, bro. Came down, manipulated one more time. We have displacement.
What is ES doing?
That daily high up there should be the target. I don't see why we should come lower.
Me neither. It doesn't even make sense. We have so many bullish SMTs as well. This should continue higher. What do we look like on the 1 hour right now? I feel like 10 o'clock should be pushing higher, at least till previous day high. Close right above that EMA. Alright, now we push. Come on, ES, bring us higher as well. Don't even have a wick there.
I don't know what NQ's waiting for.
Me neither. I hate that it's stuttering here though.
Yeah, but it should go. There's no reason to come back down.
This candle's important. Come on, push. Finally, yes, gets that wick. Yeah, it's been a bit of ping pong, but NQ should rip now. There you go, we got some momentum. Move stop to break even, Dave. I'm gonna move it on my chart to break even.
Yeah, you can move it to break even.
Alright, chat, so for now we're in break even in this trade. I mean, David is. You got break even?
No, my chart's frozen. My chart's frozen.
Bro, it just dropped like 300.
Yo! It lost me $720.
No
What the
way.
hell just happened? It didn't even stop me on break even.
Are you serious?
Yeah, my chart froze.
No, all my charts froze too. I just saw ES tank and all my charts froze. My NQ didn't even show a candle.
Well, that's absolutely pathetic. Oh, that's ridiculous, bro. Wow.
There's no way you had a break even and it doesn't even tap you.
Wow. Wow, bro, that's what happens when there's news candles like that. I don't even know what the hell happened.
Yeah, you could thank Trump for that.
Someone tweeted some bullshit and messed me up. Now I lost fucking $723 on each account
Yeah, there's
from
no news
that.
today.
Well, I'm done for the day. I'll see you next week. Is that a joke?
Yeah, that's insane. That's not nice. That's just retarded. That's just unlucky. That is so unlucky.
Well, text Tradeify support, see if they can help me out. Bro, that doesn't make sense. My chart froze. Yo, that's retarded. Bro, that makes no sense.
Yeah, no, I'm Googling it. Yeah, it says here text Tradeify. Hey, create wealth. Just submit a support ticket with the time it froze, the instrument and the account number. Cause yeah, all my things froze too. I saw ES drop, but my NQ didn't drop. My Tradeivate didn't drop. Everything just froze. Bro, that's insane. You know, instead of like 720, that could have taken you up by like so much more. Your stop was 63. It dropped 250 points. That could have been like a 4 grand mistake or error. Bro, that's very sucky.
Yeah, I went from having a lot of drawdown to now I have 3 trades left before my account's blow because of that.
TEA, that's funny. I think it's my fault I made too much and they wanted it back. Isn't the drawdown on 100k accounts like 6k, 7k? Fridays, huh?
Yeah, I'm not gonna gamble. Okay, bro, I'm getting off, man. Absolutely ridiculous.
Still here, chat. They'll disappear on me. Bro, I've been having ear pain, man. Chat, was anybody into longs? Any of you guys in longs when that happened? You entered long and you closed right before the drop. Wow, you dodged a bullet. Bro, what did Trump tweet? Yeah, me too. I think I'm gun shy now. Anybody know what that news was? What kind of news was that? Yo, TA, I'm gun shy as well. I don't want to pull the trigger on anything here. It's even worse. I feel bad for David. He was in a long and that stop at break even didn't even stop him out at break even, man. That is so unfair. Trump said he will talk to Iran while continuing to bomb. I don't see that doing it. So he said he's going to continue to talk to Iran, so it dropped, and then when he said he's going to bomb them, it went back up? Is that the two parts of the stories? Trump said he's going to talk to Iran. Damn, bad news. But we're going to continue to bomb. Good news. What? Is that what you think happened, TA? Yeah, honestly, what happens in the Middle East is pretty scary.
JDG out.
Well, chat, I was gonna take this long if it closed that fair value gap in this candle, but unfortunately it didn't. Yeah, I don't know. I was gonna take it and only if we inverted. Showed strength, but this doesn't show any strength. These highs look way too clean not to grab though. These highs up here, especially with the previous day high, it's just so unfortunate that this candle happened. Yeah, you hear me. I took a long here, chat. It doesn't look too great. How it needed to rip. Really wanted this SMT to hold. I don't know why we would still be coming back down. Well, that's unfortunate. I'm gonna try one more SMT trade here. Well, this is gonna be 2 losers for me today. I think that's pretty much gonna make it quits for today. I don't think I'm comfortable taking another trade here. Yeah, I feel bad for David especially. It's not nice. Alright, 2 losers and a break even. Today ain't my day, chat. Today ain't my day. Yeah, I feel bad for him. It's not the end of the world, futures for, but it's a big, it's not fun when that happens, you know? It ain't really fun. It's unfortunate. You should raise your volume in OBS a little. Why, you guys don't hear me well on stream? If I go on my YouTube, it sounds pretty loud for me. I'm nailing almost the red over here. I don't know if I should raise it or not. You're 30% about the volume of me in Omnius. Well, here, if I raise... No, if I raise on my phone on my YouTube and I look at my YouTube, I'm very loud. How do you guys hear me, Tia? Everything's good, no? I think maybe just he's looking at me through his stream at 0 volume. Maybe that's why your mic cuts out. Mine is perfectly fine on my stream. If I go on my stream on YouTube and I go on my stream on my phone, on my computer and on my phone, I'm loud. Yeah, TA, I'm good, huh? I'm max everywhere. I don't know where he's hearing me like that. Maybe he has too many conflicting audios. So TA on your stuff I'm good, right? Because on my stuff I'm very loud as well. And I'm hitting max volume on my OBS, so I don't even know how I can raise it. I'm max volume on everything. Everything's maxed. Can't even raise it more if I wanted to. Yeah, thank you, TA. You think that's what he needs, a hearing aid? It's probably the hearing aid as well. I don't know what he means though, because I can't hear the volume on his screen, but on my stuff everything is like super loud. No matter where I raise it. So I don't know. I don't know what he hears. I guess he'll show me when I go over later on. He'll show me how low my mic is. 30% of him in Omnia, so I should be whispering on his stuff. Compare your stream to a few others. I just told you, whoever I check my volume and I listen to it through my headphones, it's crazy loud. Maybe you're comparing it to your stream and I don't know what to tell you. Maybe you're trying to drag in my audio and it's conflicting with yours and it's putting yours primary, so yours is louder. But here, look, I'll raise my phone. Look how loud it is on my phone. Here, I'm listening to myself. It's loud. I don't know how much louder I can be. Okay, we'll compare later. It's not time to do all this. I don't even know how to raise my volume on. If I click the microphone and I click audio mixer, can I even raise it here? Chat, if I talk now, is it louder? Everything seems to be maxed. I don't know.